Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a little firecracker right here. 1968 Camaro SS with a 454 big block under the hood, turbo 400 automatic trans, 342 posi in the back. Factory born red car with no vinyl top and a red deluxe interior. How rare and special is that? Real nice car. I bought it from a police officer. He's owned it several years. He's done significant amount of work to it. Not a body off the frame, nut and bolt, type of car, but a really nice car, turnkey, ready to rock and roll. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read the specs, study all the pictures, and you will find price tags on all of our cars for sale, along with a monthly finance payment as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, California car. The L is right in the VIN number for Los Angeles. The floors, the underside appears to be very solid and clean. You look up at the motor. It is spotless. He just installed the motor. New high torque starter. Transmission is a correct 1968 Turbo 400. That's the heavy duty automatic. It was just serviced, new pan gasket, new tail shaft seal. The rear end was just rebuilt. A 342 posi was put in there. It's a 12-volt rear end with a chrome cover. It's got air shocks in the back. The front end was just rebuilt. Ball joints, bushings, springs, shocks, all redone up front. Exhaust, also recently done. It's a nice custom exhaust. Sounds great. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. Nice fat pipes, welded seams, crossover pipe. Has Flowmaster mufflers, goes all the way out the back. I think he said he replaced brake lines and fuel lines as well. Also has frame connectors, because the Camaros just have a subframe. They put in frame connectors that ties it to the rear frame rails, helps prevent body twist with that motor in there. Good idea to have that. The brakes. Disc brakes conversion up front, so all the calipers and all that's new. The rear brakes were just rebuilt. The e-brake system looks like it's all hooked up. So underneath the car, very respectable. The body. Let's check it out. It's straight. I'm looking at the roof. There's no issues. The sail panel's nice and clean. Quarter panel's all real nice. No bubbles. If you wonder why I'm feeling it, sometimes you don't see everything, but if you feel any bubbles, that's why I'm doing that. Trunk fits real nice. This is all straight, no issues. The sail panel's real nice. Quarter panel's excellent, no bubbles. Got spoilers front and back, SS gas cap, tail lights probably were replaced, but not brand new. Bumper's nice and shiny. Rear window has light scratches in it. The stainless moldings are pretty straight, but there's scuffs on the moldings. Back to the body. Doors fit real nice, no bubbles down here. It's all clean and straight. I forget how many years he owned it. He's owned it several years, and it was painted when he got it. So this is an older paint job. My point is it's still holding up really well. If it was packed with Bondo and rust and repairs, it would be coming back by now. I do notice there's a couple small holes. They must have relocated the mirror for some reason, so there is 2 drilled holes that are not covered by the mirror. It's a metal cowl hood. The fender, everything's fitting real nice. All lines up nice. So the body, in my opinion, is in excellent shape. As far as the paint job goes, probably equivalent to like a new car finish. It's not that $25,000 glass, finish show car, but it's beautiful. This is all real nice. I don't see any issues. You had the painted on white stripe, all smooth and glossy. Here's a nick right on the inside edge. And I'm fussy with the paint, and I have to be because I sell to all different types of customers. 99 people will say his paint's gorgeous, and then that one person will, say that it's not. A little tiny nick here. So yeah, super nice and glossy. No issues with the paint. It has the rain gutters, look like they've been replaced. Door handles and mirrors look like they're new. The marker light's real nice. It's sitting on a really nice set of polished torque thrust wheels. They're wider in back with a little meatier tire in back for a nice stance. And it looks like they are 16-inch wheels in back, and they are 16 in front also, but they're just wider with a fatter tire in back. Windshield's been replaced. Front bumper, got a little scuff right here, so front bumper is very nice. The grille is very nice. So in a nutshell, the exterior of the car is really very good, not perfect. Nothing significant in my opinion. Why don't we open it up and see what's like inside. All right, we've got a nice clean trunk compartment. We can call it squeaky clean because of the hinge needs a little oil. Rock solid, been spatter painted, nice thorough coat of spatter paint. Does have air shocks, and here's a nozzle, so it's probably still the nozzle for the air shocks. Under the trunk lid is painted red. Weather strip is replaced, so it looks very, very good in there. The red with the red deluxe interior is a pretty big deal. Everyone paints their car red, and they throw deluxe interiors in their cars. Not too many were born that way. So the deluxe interior included molded armrest door panels. That one looks to be in really good shape overall. At the very front edge, it does have a split at the edge. The dash pad has been replaced. The instrument panel is overall good shape. Some of the chrome around the lighter is peeled off. You buy all that stuff. You can buy anything for a Camaro. The heater control panel actually has probably been replaced because that's too nice, and the vent is in good shape. Original AM radio still in the factory spot, so it's not been cut up or broken. We do have the center console with the aftermarket set of gauges. In the glove box is a stereo. So there you go, nice Sony stereo. Speakers in the back. We do have seat belts. The deluxe seats have a little different pattern. Looks like the cushion's a little worn out. It's kind of concave. And the steering wheel does have some significant cracks in the wheel. But again, they sell those new. That's real easy to swap out. Back seat appears to be in really nice shape. Carpet overall is good, very good. Headliners nice and straight and tight. Dome light works. Visors are real nice. Oh, we have a new headliner. They just told me. Mice must have got up in there. We do have a new headliner on order. It's on its way here. So whoever buys the car, we'll have a new red headliner installed. So yeah, overall, like the outside, it's a very good interior, not perfect. Now the engine, I think he put a crate motor in here, but it is a 454. It's fresh. He put it in there while he owned the car. It's got an Edelbrock intake with a Holley carburetor that has an electric choke. It's got, looks like an MSD ignition system and distributor. The wires are all run neatly. Got some nice cast aluminum valve covers. Got a set of headers. Overall, clean, smooth metal. Do have an aluminum overflow bottle for the radiator. It has an electric fan in front to help push the air through it. And then it also has the fan attached to the motor. We got new power brake system. That's part of when he added the disc. New wiper motor. Also has a power steering pump down there. It's got a new horn up front. So again, not that high-end World of Wheels show car, but this is very clean and respectable and orderly. So there you have it. You got an all red deluxe interior, big block Camaro. It's been pretty well sorted out. Beautiful show quality condition at any cruise night. Just a great driver. Slick looking car. And Camaros are our best sellers, so this probably won't be around long. It's priced reasonably for what Camaros bring these days. I continuously get over 100 grand for the really premium ones. This isn't even close to that. So if you like what you see, go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. I just gave you my impression of the car. If you have questions or concerns, make sure you talk to them. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance the car as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching. Carpets.